How to order at a Japanese restaurant, tips and tricks. Hi everyone, welcome to Japan in your pocket. If you've ever been nervous about ordering food in Japan, whether it's at a sushi counter, an izakaya, or even a fast food joint, you're not alone. But don't worry, today I'll show you how to navigate all types of Japanese restaurants, from traditional to modern, and even give you tips on using those fancy tablet systems. Ready to become a pro at dining out in Japan? Let's get started. Section 1. Types of restaurants in Japan. 1. Izakaya. Izakayas are Japan's version of a casual pub, where you can enjoy drinks and share plates of food. What to expect? Izakayas usually have extensive menus with small dishes like sashimi, grilled skewers and fried snacks. Perfect for groups or a fun night out. When you sit down, you'll often get an otoshi, a small appetizer, automatically. Don't worry, it's not a scam, just a standard practice. 2. Sushi restaurants. Sushi restaurants range from high-end sushi counters to conveyor belt sushi, kaiten-zushi. 1. At high-end sushi counters. It's best to order omakase, chef's choice, which lets the chef serve you the freshest seasonal fish. Don't dip rice into soy sauce, it's all about the fish. 2. At kaiten-zushi. Simply grab the plates you like from the conveyor belt. When you're done, the staff will count the plates to calculate your bill. 3. Family restaurants. Family restaurants like Gusto or Joyful are great for a variety of options, from Japanese curry to Western-style pasta. Many now have touchscreen tablets for ordering. 4. Gyudon chains. Gyudon chains like Yoshinoya or Sukiya are perfect for a quick, affordable meal. These places are incredibly efficient and popular among locals. 5. Fast food chains. Japanese fast food includes both familiar chains like McDonald's and unique local spots like Mos Burger, where you can try creative dishes like rice burgers. Section 2. Ordering basics. Step 1. Entering the restaurant. 1. When you walk into any restaurant, you'll hear a loud "Irashimasu." Welcome. You don't need to respond, just smile or nod. Step 2. Seating options. In sushi counters and izakayas, you may be asked, counter or table? If you prefer a table, say "Teburu onegai shimasu," or just say "table." 2. In some casual places, it's self-seating, so keep an eye out for signs. Section 3. How to order. At an izakaya. 1. Use the menu. Most izakayas have menus with pictures, so you can point and say, "Kore wo kudasai." I'll have this, please. Try to start with drinks. Ordering namabiru, draft beer, is a classic choice. 2. Share dishes. Izakayas are all about sharing, so order a variety of small plates for the table to enjoy. At a sushi restaurant, at high-end sushi counters, simply say, "Omakase onegai shimasu," and the chef will take care of the rest. It's the best way to experience sushi. At kaiten-zushi, grab plates as they come around or use the touchscreen to order something specific. When your food is ready, it'll arrive on a special train or conveyor. At family restaurants. 1. Using tablets. Tap the screen to browse the menu, select items, and customize your order. Most have an English language option. 2. Call the waiter. If you need assistance, press the call button on the table. At gyudon chains. 1. Ticket machines. Insert money, press the button for your desired meal, and hand the ticket to the staff. It's fast and efficient. 2. Customizing your meal. You can usually add toppings like a raw egg or green onions for a small extra fee. At fast food chains. 1. Self-ordering kiosks. Select your meal and pay directly at the machine. If you're unsure, ask for help by saying, "Tetsudate kudasai." Please help me. 2. Seasonal specials. Look out for limited time items like the teriyaki burger at McDonald's or sakura-themed drinks at cafes. Section 4. Key phrases for ordering. 1. For recommendations. "Osusume wa nan desu ka?" What do you recommend? 2. For adjustments. "Sukunami de onegai shimasu." Less, please. "Omori de onegai shimasu." Make it large, please. Section 5. Paying the bill. 1. Izakayas and sushi counters. You'll typically pay at the register when leaving. Just say, "Okk onegai shimasu." Check, please. 2. Family restaurants. Take the receipt from your table to the cashier. 3. Gyudon chains and fast food. If you used a ticket machine, you've already paid. Otherwise, pay at the counter when ordering. And there you have it, a complete guide to ordering at Japanese restaurants, from sushi counters to fast food chains. Whether you're sitting at a high-end sushi counter, enjoying drinks at an izakaya, or grabbing a quick beef bowl, now you're ready to order like a local. What type of restaurant are you most excited to try in Japan? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching Japan in Your Pocket. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends planning their Japan adventures. Mata ne!